Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to limit charging to 18% on iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. So first thing first, open settings, then in the settings go to battery, then battery health and charging, and charging optimization, and in this you can choose the 18% limit option. So click on that, and now it's all done. So thank you for watching. Also you can choose none or optimize battery charging. So now it's all done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.